everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message to me through Moodle. Go to the top right corner and click on the message icon. Then type my name in the search field. If you don't know where the search field, it's gonna say search here. Type my full name, Tatiana. Then press the search icon. Wait for Moodle to find me. Once you see a picture of me and my name, click. You will see the message box and you can say, "Hi Tanya, how are you?" and send me a message. How do you send? You need to click on this airplane to send a message and it will appear at the bottom. You can also find anybody else in here to send a message. For example, I want to send a message to Manal. I'm gonna type her name and press the search bar, icon. Manal's picture will appear. What I can do is I can click the three dots and I can add Manal to my contacts. So I always have her name there. Now I can send her a message. "Hi Manal, how are you?" And I'm gonna press send to send the message. Once Manal responds, I will know that she replied because I will see a number 1 here or number 2 at the top. You can check all your messages in the private section, or you can check all your messages in the stored field. So go ahead, send me a Moodle message, say hi, and if you have any questions during the term, you can communicate with me through Moodle messages.